top news headlines. Tension continues to prevail in Moreh. Chasad villagers block road in protest. And two youths team up for garbage-free Ukrul town. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You are watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. Band supporters attacked a team of Manipur police personnel last night at Moreh. 9 police personnel, including the Superintendent of Police, Technopole District and 6 Band supporters were reportedly injured in the incident. Meanwhile, Kuki civil society groups are organizing a massive protest rally in Moreh today. Kuki social organizations have imposed an indefinite ban on Imphal-Moreh Road, demanding the state government to terminate all commando personnel involved in thrashing 2 youths on 13th of March. Simmering tension prevailed in Moreh town bordering Myanmar following the March 13 incident. A large number of protesters this morning came out to the streets of the border town in support of the ban. According to a report, a large number of police were deployed in the tension-hit town to control the situation. Reports say police used tear gas shells to disperse ban supporters. Top police official, along with Deputy Commissioner of Technopole District, used loudspeakers to warn the residents against gathering in groups in view of the Section 144 imposed in the town for a month. However, many protesters defied the order, coming out to the streets, prompting the cops to use tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Sources said several were injured in the standoff. Villagers armed with weapons were reportedly blocking road at Sampui Junction in Chasad village, about 4 km from Kamjong. No vehicles were allowed to pass the area by hundreds of cookies from Chasad village. Sources said unidentified people set afire large tract of jhum fields already prepared for cultivation in the village yesterday. The cookies are protesting and blaming Sampui village for the arson attack. Police are not allowed to intervene by Chasad villagers, the sources said. A team of Kakching police, including women personnel, arrested a woman drug peddler and seized 12.77 grams of heroin from her possession at Kakching Turel Wangma last morning. The arrested has been identified as 38-year-old Mayang Mayum Amubi Bibi, alias Sarah, wife of Mohammed Hafizuddin of Sora, Iringban, Lamkai. Reports said she came to Kakching Turel Wangma to sell the contraband drugs to one of her customers. An FIR has been filed at Kakching police station in this regard. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing amachapad marifom do ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center mahangjare TV amadi phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na dibna al kodingmag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasimak lension directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badong gi khangna chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hausare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi haujaragani. Akupa marol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Welcome back after the break. A 5-day-long legal awareness program under the theme Justice is Truth began today at Central Sajiwa Jail, Imphal East District. The program is organized under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Legal and Clinic, Manipur Central Jail in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority, Imphal. Several inmates of the jail took part in an interactive session held this morning. The program will conclude on 27th of March. Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Field Outreach Bureau, Imphal organized an awareness program on COVID-19 at Community Hall of Utlau, Awang Laikai. Member of Utlau Gram Panchayat Ward Number 2, K. Premjit Singh, Executive Engineer, Department of Agriculture, K. Ibo Chau Singh, District Surveillance Officer, Bishnupur District, Dr. L. Rai Chandra Singh, and several others attended the awareness program. Dr. L. Rai Chandra Singh educated the participants about coronavirus outbreak during the program. Now we have the sports news. The 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 concluded yesterday at Sivsagar in Assam. The championship, organized by All India Kung Fu Federation, started from March 12. Host Assam clinched the team champion title by winning 14 gold medals, while Manipur took the runners-up title, bagging 8 gold, 4 silver and 7 bronze medals. Nagaland won the Best Disciplined Team title in the championship. In Sanda category, B. Tampasna Devi bagged the Senior Best Fighter title, while KH Jetties won the Best Junior Fighter title. They were awarded with trophy and cash prize of Rs 5,000 each. Mohammad Nawaz Sharif got a special award. The 7th Late Okram Lukhoi Singh Memorial Cricket Tournament 2020 was wrapped up yesterday at Mantripuki Firing Range, Imphal. In the final match, Robotek won over Mantripuki striker by 2 wickets, chasing a target of 127 runs and lifted the championship trophy. The cricket tournament, which began from 10th of March, was organized by Sahu Nav Yuvak Shang, Mantripuki.
Umpire Joki, Mr. Mr. Sarju, short करने का प्रयास फिर से याद चुके loss of 2 wicket.
होय याक्संगी स्पोर्ट्स की क्लोजिंग जे सी कितंग थेंगदरगा तौगी भाई तारे मस्तेदा होय क्राउड से कितंग जुवात पर होजिति मुक कोरोना हाइवेगी टाइप हाइवेदी मेसेज हाइवे लाइबनिना मिपुन बेयादा खोतबा लाइबगी मवंग सिना कितंग डिस्टर्बेंस कितंग लाइबाय तारे ना ततादी नाहंगै दि सिगुम फाइनल मल तमसिदि साइगा जलोइना बय क्राउडेड ओइरागा मिस फमम लाफम लाइतबने अदुबो हंदकी दि कितंग गवर्नमेंट सो ऑर्डर थोकपा प्लस अखोइना सो कितंग प्रिकॉशन लौरागा लागते यादबा तौदे यादबा दु खतंग तौरसिना कोइ पिक्सन जबने हाइतारे.
The International Olympic Committee (IOC) will hold talks with heads of international sports organizations tomorrow in response to the coronavirus outbreak, according to reports. With less than 5 months to go until the scheduled start of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics on July 24, questions have been raised as to whether the Games can go ahead. However, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and Tokyo 2020 organizers have reiterated that preparations are going on for the Games to be held as planned. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Coronavirus cases in India touch 107. Government completes 3 years. ILPS extension leads list of achievements. Financial assistance scheme for sports persons, artists launched. Minimum chance of COVID-19 in Northeast, says AMS Director. Bund supporters confront cops, many hurt. Resolve Commando menace. KIM KSO urged government. The People's Chronicle. Government announces schemes for players, artists. 50 megawatt solar power projects set to come up in Jiri. Positive COVID-19 cases rise to 107 in India. UCM smells of India government's ulterior motive. ADC polls. Atsum petitions governor. Imphal Free Press. BJP-led state government celebrates 3 years of governance. Bund supporters clash with police, 9 injured. Jalliarong United Front condemns NSCN-IM. Manipur Mail, government celebrates 3 years in office. Chief Minister announces new schemes to help artists, sportspersons. Coronavirus case jumped to 109. Kamal Nath's cabinet asked him to decide on trust vote.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Tension continues to prevail in Moreh. JESSIA villagers block road in protest. And 2 youths team up for garbage-free Ukhrul town. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.